Hi there, hi everyone. Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper, because today it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspapers. It's actually, sorry, it's the edition of Saturday. Yeah, the day before, Saturday. Yeah, yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, March the 12th, 2022. I've already solved these two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. And it's time now for the 1-star Tectonic. And this will be number 4254. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 22 printed digits, a lot. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. Well, I cannot see any single boxes here. Dual boxes then. Can see any dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. Well, I see here triple box. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. But I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box. More triple boxes. No, quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box in an L shape. And when you see the quadra box in an L shape, the inside box, this box, inside box, near this box, yes, is always a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. 1 quadra box. More quadra boxes? No. Then, oh, here we have a quadra box. The 4 is already filled in. Well, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures. Some figures. Constrictions, structures, whatever, you name it. For example, this shape or figure. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box is always the same as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Alright. When you see the S construction or Z construction, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. And that box has always the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then, oh, wait. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Well, the following figure. How about this figure or shape? Well, it's difficult to draw this here. Let me do this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following figure, the last figure or shape, the L shape. The L shape. Let me draw this here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Well, this box is the same number as that box. So in this puzzle, we have only 4 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. There are more. I believe there are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4. And why you need to recognize these shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling these numbers. All right. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there in this S figure or shape. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this S shape or figure. The numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5, so 1 digit left in this W area shape for the number 2. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. When I place a 2 here in this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it cannot be a 2 in this box. It's not the solution to place the 2 here. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this L shape area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay. Then. Let me see. I think, wait. 2, 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 3. We have double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then, let me see. We have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 here. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and a 4. Well, yeah. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 4. Okay. Well, It cannot be a 4 here. I need a 4 in this area. If this is a 4, then these two boxes can be a 4, and also that box cannot be a 4. And I need a 4 here. So it's not the solution to place the 4 here. It should be a 1. Yes, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. One box left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated a 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, this is 1, okay. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box. For the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4, it should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, faster than 50 minutes, told you. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudokus, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. All those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.